Hello everyone and welcome to a quick YouTube tutorial. In this video I want to show you how to create a playlist on YouTube even if you don't have an own channel. The feature is a bit hidden but actually very easy to use. As you can see, I already created a playlist here on the left, but there's no button to create a new one. For that I go to a video that I like and watch it. Under the video I now click on Save. If I already have a playlist, I can save the video in it. Otherwise, I click on Create New Playlist. I enter a name and choose if the playlist is private or public, or if people can see it who have the link of it. For this example, I choose private. When I'm done, I click on Create. The playlist is now created. But let's go to the playlist because I want to show you some more features. So we click on our new playlist, and if we click here we have a lot of more features. We can add new videos to this playlist, but we can also add all videos of this playlist to another playlist, so you don't have to take the videos over one by one. The other functions are actually very self-explanatory, and I would say that you'd best give these a try. That's about it. It's that easy to create a new playlist on YouTube. I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you again in the next tutorial. Your tutorial guy. Bye.